Remove the screws by turning them counterclockwise.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side. We recommend changing your bulbs in pairs. If one bulb is burnt out, its counterpart bulb is likely near the end of its life as well. Bulbs get dimmer by 20% over time, which is another great reason to change both bulbs at once.
Lift the panel to remove it. Remove the panel by prying it back. Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
There are 3 bolts that need to be removed.
Wiggle the housing to remove it from the vehicle.
We recommend wearing gloves when changing your lights. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely.
Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle. Reconnect the bulb housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
So we have 3 bolts here. The 2 silver ones are going to go on the bottom, and then the blacker, darker one is going to go on the top here.
Replace the bolts that secure the housing by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.
Replace the lower panel.
These tabs that kind of go into these allotted holes over here on the side, so that would be the first thing I kind of line up here.
Position the panel so that the tabs line up with their respective slots and press in. Replace the screws by turning them clockwise.